What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, we are going to review the AgroFunds. Guys, this project has been running for 430 days, okay? Right here, which is crazy. Is insane. 430 days in DeFi space is like 10 eternities, okay? It just doesn't happen. But this one is still up and running, still doing its thing, and seems like a new package is coming soon, okay? Our promo package coming up soon, okay? So I believe we will have a small plan. I don't know. We'll see. But as soon as I find out more information about this new promo package, I will let y'all know, okay? But if you're not familiar with AgroFunds, I'm going to quickly explain to you how it works, okay, and how to make a deposit, right? Because my plan expired, so I'm going to make a new deposit. So AgroFunds has two plans. So we have the Ruby plan and we have the Finale plan. The Ruby plan, you get paid 6% daily for 10 days, and then after 10 days, you will make a 50% of your total deposit, and you'll be able to withdraw your principal, okay, your initial capital. And same goes to the Finale, okay? So instead of 6%, you'll make 10%. Total profit is going to be 150% because you are going to roll with the project or the contract for 15 days instead of 10. Okay, but bear in mind the minimum deposit is a lot higher than the Ruby plan. Okay, but on the other hand, you will earn more in return. Okay, if you want to know how much you will earn, so you come over here. So for example, you got 500 bucks, you type in 500 bucks, you'll make 6% daily. 6% daily, yeah, that equals a 30% daily profit. Okay, so after 10 days, which is the contract duration, you will make a total return of 300 bucks. Okay, more information about the project right here on the front page. Link is going to be down in the description. Okay, and over here we can see the statistics of this protocol. Okay, keeps on growing, which is insane, right? Insane. Okay, now let me log in and let me show you what's up. Okay, guys, so this is my dashboard. So when you log in, this is going to be your dashboard, okay? And the dashboard, you can see everything, okay? Total withdrawals, total deposits, account balance, and everything else, okay? And as you can see right here, we have um, different coins because you can select different coins to deposit on this protocol, okay? So once you get started with this project, you got to make a deposit in order to get going, okay? The minimum investment is 100 bucks, okay? You come over here, open deposit, right? And then on open deposit, you can see that the minimum goes from 100 to 7,000 on this plan, and the next plan is 10,000 to 50,000, okay? Simple as that. You come over here and you type in the amount that you want to roll with, okay? And then you're gonna select the payment method. Okay, so spend from payment system or spend from balance. Okay, so let's say if I had 500 bucks in my balance, I would use my balance to roll with the project. Okay, but I don't, so I'm gonna click on USDT TRC20 and I'm gonna hit make deposits. Okay, now we got a deposit confirmation right here. Over here explains what's going to happen. So we're going to roll with the Ruby plan. Principal will be returned. Principal withdrawal available. Credit 500 bucks. Deposit fee none. Debit amount none. Okay. Oh, 500 bucks. My bad. Okay. So now all we got to do is we're going to copy this wallet right here, and I'm going to go to my exchange to send the funds TRC20 USDT. Remember, guys, it has to be the same coin that you've chosen. Okay, TRC20 USDT. Okay, so I'm going to send it to this address right here, and then once um, once I send the funds, I click done. Okay, so once you click done, if you come over here to history, you can see that the funds are here pending, okay? Pending, because transaction takes a few minutes to up to 60 minutes, okay? So once the payment goes through, okay, instead of pending, will appear approved, as you can see right here. And then once your deposit is approved, you are rolling with the project, and every day you either earn 6% or 10% from your deposit amounts, okay? And that being said, that's just how it goes. It is that simple, guys. So now, um, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap this video up, and then when the new package come up, I will come over here and give you an update about it. And also, I'm gonna try to find out more information about the upcoming package, in terms of daily percentage, investment, etc. Okay, as soon as I find out more information about that, I'll come over here and let y'all know. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.